Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to issue a partial refund on Etsy in 2026. Do you need to refund only parts of an order on Etsy? Here's how to issue a partial refund step by step. Now before we start, I'll give you a quick guide on how to become a seller on the Etsy platform. We're just gonna go either you use your computer or your mobile device, you're gonna go to your web browser and search for Etsy. Once you do that, you're gonna click on the Etsy website. Now, alternatively, you can use the mobile version by downloading the Etsy app from your Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. Once you download the app and you access it, or the website, you access the website, you're gonna make sure to sign into your account by clicking by Google or another way. Then you're gonna click on this option right here, and from this drop down menu, you're gonna find the option to become a seller. You're gonna click on it. Now, after you click on it, you're gonna be asked to enter your shop preferences, to name your shop, how you will get paid, your billing information, and your shop security. Make sure to fill in all the information to set up your store. Now, once you set up your store, this option is going to be available. So you're going to be able to click on Shop Manager. Then you're going to open the orders and shipping. You're going to select the orders that needs a partial refund. Then you're going to click on Issue a Refund inside the order details. After that, you're going to enter partial amounts instead of selecting full refund and manually enter the amount you want to refund. This could be for shipping adjustments, damaged item compensations, and partial cancellations. So make sure to confirm the refund after reviewing the amounts and confirming, and always explain clearly to the buyer why you're issuing a partial refund to maintain the trust. And that's it. That's how you issue a partial refund on Etsy in 2026. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.